what's shaping event design in 2026, here are a few of the top trends. In 2026, event design focuses on how spaces make people feel, with florals creating flowing, movement-driven neighborhoods. Micro-events and weddings allow deeper investment in details, making florals more intentional and expressive. Eco-conscious design is now the standard, with florals embracing rentable, modular installations that transform across moments. Guests want to fully step into the moment. Use florals to transform spaces into immersive, wonder-filled environments. Events now act as content platforms, with florals delivering instant impact on camera and in person. Those are just a few 2026 trends. Explore our trend book for more key insights.